Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush and it's Raymore Reviews. We're here with another driving video slash update. Right now we're coming off the Mandela highway known as Ferry. What we're doing is doing an update on the Kingston 876 commercial development. So that's what we're gonna look on. There's some construction around that side, so I'm just gonna show you guys an update. These fences were recently put up, I guess to help protect the motorists so that nobody, you know, throws anything on the roadway and stuff like that. Directly in front of us is the new tropical battery headquarters. Now open, now in operation. So it's on the left, that's where we're going. The entire area is a commercial development that is currently underway. It's called Kingston 876 Complex. I did a very intensive drive around of the area, so I'll put that link in the description so you guys can see as well. First of all though, if you're new to the channel, if you watch the videos and haven't subscribed, if that subscribe button is still red, just click that button, turn it gray, subscribe to the Raymore Reviews family so you don't miss any updates. Also turn on your post notification bell so that once we do an update, you'll be definitely notified. Remember to leave a comment after watching the video. Remember to like the video as well and share. All that will help YouTube to recommend the video to more people. So really appreciate the support, guys. And if you wanna donate to the channel, support the channel financially, we have PayPal as well. So let's take a drive over the Kingston 876 complex. Directly in front of us is Reviews-Jamaica. This is one of the first property to come over here in terms of the development of this area. But what we're gonna specifically look on today is two development behind Nestle that's currently being developed. One is a BPO complex, and then the other one is a warehouse facility. So stay tuned, drive along. So we'll drive past just to show you guys the progress of the work. We did a previous video when they just started. I'll link that as well. So I'll link two videos for you guys. Alright, so that's the BPO directly in front of us. Very modern design. Blue and gray, a lot of glass as well. And then beside the BPO complex is the warehouse development. It's on the right. So what they're working on now is foundation, perimeter fencing, and that sort of stuff. Alright, so we'll take a quick drive down to the tropical battery, and then we'll just turn back. The road surface is very good. They have sidewalks in place, drainage and stuff like that. So they have placed the infrastructure in so that the different companies can, you know, come in and start developing the area. So let's go down to tropical battery and turn around. so this is the new Tropical Battery headquarters, Kingston 876 complex, right beside the new Ferry highway. Alright, so let's head back around to the construction that's happening, see if I can give you guys some better shots. And then up in the hills we have Plantation Heights, and some of those big warehouses you're seeing is also Derryman Trading. They're a very large distributor of different products, so those existing warehouses is owned by them. We're seeing some water on the unoccupied land because the land level is much lower than the road, so I guess whoever is building will have to dump up the land, put in proper drainage mechanism as well, because the land is much lower than the roadway, so they dump up the area to build the road. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some better shots now of the warehouse they're building. Seems to be a very good size, just looking at the perimeter and the foundation. Alright guys, there you have it, just a quick glimpse of the development that's happening. Work is still happening, work is still on the way. So just wanted to show you guys a quick update. So remember to like the video, remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and also share the video as well. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another driving video or another update or another review.